What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding solving radical equations. The first example here I have square root of x plus 2 equals to square root of x plus 4. Answer is we square root both sides, then we have root x to the power of 2 plus 2 squared plus 4 root x. Again, we had it earlier, but to remind you, a plus b squared is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. We have the same thing here. First one squared, second one squared plus 2 times first one and the second one here. Then 2 and square root cancel out, it will be x plus 4. Then we have x plus 4 plus 4 root x equals to x plus 4. X plus 4 and x plus 4 cancel out, and we will have 4 root x equals to 0. Then we can say that root x equals to 0. Then we can say x will be equal to 0. Next example, we have square root of y plus 6 equal to square root of y plus 8. Answer is square root of y plus 6 to the power of 2 will be square root of y plus 8 to the power of 2. Results in square root of y to the power of 2 plus 6 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 6 times root y. We have 12 root y equals to 2 and square root cancel out, it will be y plus 8. We have y plus 36 plus 12 root y equals to y plus 8. Y and y cancel out, and we will end up having 12 root y equals to 8 minus 36, which we have negative 28 in here. So then we can say square root of y will be negative 28 divided by 12, or negative 7 divided by 3 when you reduce it. So y will be negative 7 over 3 squared, which is going to be 49 over 9. Next example is square root of x minus 3 plus 2 equals to square root of x plus 4. So the answer is we need to square root both sides, then it will be square root of x minus 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 squared, which is 4, plus 2 times 2, 4 root x minus 3. And in this side 2 and the square root cancel out, it will be x plus 4. Then we have x minus 3 plus 4 root x minus 3 equals to x plus 4. X plus 4 and x plus 4 cancel out, and we have 4 root x minus 3 equals to 3. So root x minus 3 equals to 3 over 4. Then we can say x minus 3 will be 3 over 4 squared, or 9 over 16. Then I can say x will be 3 plus 9 over 16. If we do common denominator, will be 48 plus 9. 48 plus 9 will be 57 over 16. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.